Team coverage now because this storm did take down so many trees and really sent some folks running.
Yeah, Kelly, receding waters are giving a lot of people a close-up look at the damage left behind. Whitman Street in the Westwood section of the city, one of the hardest hit areas. We sent Channel 4 Action News reporter Amber Nakotra out to take a look.
Still running down the driveway. It's difficult to even walk on. What's so amazing is that just on Friday they had this entire driveway done, and you can see after last night's heavy storms, it's now just a mess. Clogged storm drains, the likely source for flooding, washing away Amy Duffy's driveway.
So frustrating because it's been since January. There was a water main break. It took them 4 months to come fix it. They finally fixed it. It was beautiful. Now this rain comes and my driveway's gone again.
Amy runs a daycare from her home and walks to the top of the driveway several times a day, but her yard now a mess thanks to Wednesday's storm.
The wall fell on my husband's car and just trees were down everywhere, and we're getting landslides everywhere, and we can't get out of our driveway. I have a state certified daycare. I have no way to get my vehicle out to go get kids to school.
Heavy rain and winds caused this tree to snap. The backyard now a muddy swamp, and what was once a level path behind her house, now nothing but a stream.
We had waterfalls everywhere, and we're like in a hole on a hill because it just kept going.
A few homes up the street, John Thompson is cleaning out his basement, the carpet ruined. He's lived here 17 years and says last night's storm was the worst yet.
Somebody opened up the floodgates last night. It was a bad rain last night. I thought it was a tornado coming through. These trees are blowing so bad last night, I was waiting for them all to fall down.
Pittsburgh Public Works will be out today assessing the damage. In the meantime, homeowners should contact their insurance company right away. And you can see the water is still running down the road. Still a lot of debris in the middle of the street. Cleanup is still in the early stages. One of the problems they need to figure out is who's going to foot the bill to clean up this mess. In Westwood, Amber Nakotra, Channel 4 Action News.